Hi, I'm Rachel. I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. In this video, I'll show you how to paint glowing string lights with acrylic paints. It sounds like it would be hard, but once you break it down into steps, it's actually quite simple. I have split this technique into 6 easy to follow steps for you. Step 1 is to draw out the outline of the lights onto your canvas. This doesn't have to be detailed, it's just to mark out where your light bulbs will be. In step 2, we'll paint the background. You can choose any colour for your background, but the darker the colour, the more the glowing effect will stand out. I have chosen a dark blue to create the night sky. Cover the whole of your canvas in this colour apart from the light bulbs that you drew in step 1. Don't worry about painting over the strings as we'll paint them back in later. In step 3, we'll paint a glow around the lights. This will need to be the same colour as your background but a few shades lighter, so I'm using a lighter shade of blue. It helps to do this step while the background layer is still wet. Add the paint in a circle around each bulb and then blend it outwards into the darker colour. You can use either a paintbrush or a sponge to blend the paint. This step is the most time consuming, but it is worth it as it really helps to create the glow in the final painting. If you'd prefer to watch the full-length tutorial in real time where you can paint this exact painting along with me, then just head over to my Patreon, which is Rachel Froud Art, where you can access all of my full-length art tutorials. This next step is optional and it depends if you want to add a starry or snowy effect to your background. If you do, then just add some splatters of white or light blue paint using a fan brush. I've created a full tutorial showing you exactly how to splatter paint, so I'll add that to the description for you. In step 4, we'll add the orange glow around each light bulb. To do this, mix some yellow, orange and white paint together with some water to thin it out. You can also use a glazing medium if you have this. We want this paint to be semi-transparent. Use your paintbrush to add a circle around each bulb that is about half the size of the blue circle. Then dry your brush and blend the paint outwards so that it fades into the background. You may need to add some more water to help with this. This step may take a bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes much easier. Continue to paint the orange glow around each light bulb using this same technique. These string lights create a really cool painting on their own, and they're also a great addition to landscape and animal paintings. I have just finished painting a reindeer wrapped in fairy lights using this exact technique. I'll add the video for this to the description if you want to have a look. In step 5, we'll paint in the light bulbs using a bright yellow paint. It helps to add some white to the paint to make it more opaque. Use this light yellow paint to paint a circle where each bulb will be. Make sure the circles are all the same size as you will want all of the lights to look the same. If you'd like your lights to be a different shape, for example ovals or even hearts or stars, then you can just paint these shapes instead. Then to finish, just add a little bit of white paint to the centre of each bulb. In the final step, we'll paint the strings. Use black paint and a thin slanted paintbrush to paint each string. Make sure the string isn't too far away from the bulbs as we'll need to connect them together later. Try not to press too hard while doing this as we want to keep the strings quite thin. To finish the painting, use black paint to add a little square above each light bulb, connecting them to the string above. I hope this has been helpful and I hope you enjoy painting your own glowing lights. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this.